We're going to be working on extending the depth of field. We have here in Bridge, we have the end file where you can see a glass is in focus and the house in the background is in focus. When we start off, let's look at the start file, and all I have to do is double click the image, and we have two files. We have the beach file where the house is in focus but the glass is out of focus. We have where the glass file, which the glass is in focus but the beach is out of focus. So here what we're going to do is extend our depth of field so both house and glass are in focus. But the first thing we need to do is to align both of these images. So I'm going to go select the beach layer and the glass layer, holding down the shift key to make sure they're both in selected, and then I go edit, auto align layers. Then I'm going to choose auto, and let's see, make sure that vignette is not selected or geometric distortion, and I press OK. So now both of these images are aligned. You go ahead and notice how the house and the glass are in alignment. So next, I need to reposition, and we're going to choose edit, auto blend. Excuse me, edit, I was in file, auto blend layers. And then I have to decide, we're going to select stack. We don't want content aware selected, but I do want seamless tones and curves, and then I press OK. And when we look at both of the images together, let's turn one off, we can see it created a mask and it selected the sharp part of the glass and the sharp part of the house. And then you can save your work. You can also, if you wanted, you could flatten the image, but let's go ahead and just save it the way it is. So I go File, Save As. I'm going to put my files in my Turn In folder, and I'm going to call this one 05 for lesson 5 underscore glass, because you'll be tuning in a lot of files for this lesson. Last name, your last name underscore your first name. Make sure the format is Photoshop, and then I press save.